A digital multimeter can be used to measure voltage, amps, and resistance. This section measures amps with an alternating current. This section measures voltage with an alternating current. This section measures voltage with a direct current. This section is a test for continuity. This section measures resistance in ohms. And this section is to measure amps with a direct current. The following sockets are negative, voltage in ohms, unfused amps, and fused milliamps. Firstly, we press the power button to turn on the multimeter. Firstly, we plug in the negative cable into the COM socket. As we're going to measure voltage, we plug the positive cable into the voltage ohm socket. To measure the voltage of a battery, firstly we need to select voltage with a direct current. We then need to run the black lead to the negative terminal and the red lead to the positive terminal. To measure continuity, we must first go into continuity selection. Then the multimeter must be connected to the circuit. If the circuit is complete, the multimeter will beep. If the circuit is broken, the multimeter will not make any sound. To measure resistance, we must go onto the ohm selection on the multimeter. We can then connect the multimeter to the component and measure its resistance. We are now going to measure current. Here we have a circuit with a motor on. The motor is drawing current, and as load is increased by trying to stop the motor moving, the current increases as the motor tries to keep spinning at its full speed.